researcher, and a leader in the field of computer science and engineering. Dr. Rao brings with him over 2 decades of rich experience in the IT industry, with expertise spanning DevOps, cloud, automation, containerization, and Java development. He is currently serving as a senior solutions architect in HCL Technologies, where he plays a pivotal role in designing secure, scalable, and innovative solutions. His career journey is truly inspiring, from working with geometric software solutions to contribute as a Java developer and build engineering at TCS across Bangalore, Chicago, and London, to lead as a software lead at Societe Generale Global Solution Center, and taking up key responsibilities at Wipro Technologies. His growth reflects commitment, perseverance, and excellence. Academically, Dr. Rao has an outstanding background. He earned his BTech in Computer Science from Nagarjuna University in 1998, followed by an MTech in Software Engineering from JNTU, Hyderabad in 2002, and later achieved the pinnacle academic excellence by completing his PhD in Computer Science and Engineering in Big Data from Nagarjuna University in 2020, with hands-on expertise in cutting-edge tools like Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, AWS, Prometheus, Grafana, and modern Java frameworks. He has become a truly thought leader in DevOps and cloud technologies. Beyond his technical mastery, Dr. Rao has consistently demonstrated leadership, guiding teams, and ensuring security best practices, and contributing to digital transformation of enterprises. Today, as we celebrate Engineers Day, we are truly privileged to have with us a professional whose life embodies the spirit of engineering, innovation, dedication, and service to society. Dear friends, let us welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. V. Purnachandra Rao garu. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Manna. It is with great honor and excitement that we take this opportunity to solicit our esteemed Chief Guest to articulate a message to us.
Hello. Hello. Yes. I'm audible. So, first of all, good morning to our board members, respected principal madam, honorable guests, beloved teachers and students. So, I completed my engineering in the same college. I think you all know this one. So, first of all, try to concentrate here. I would like to give some important tips here because when I was in engineering, one of the struggles I faced it, then how I faced it out when I came out of this college, and how I went to the industry, what are the things they are expecting there, what are the things we are studying here as well. So we need to find out the gap and fill up the gap so that we will be in the top 10 students out of 100 members in the job market. So that's how we are going to, I'm going to help you in this way. So if you take the procedure, I'll take one small example here. I think the final students are going to be science students and civil mechanical everybody. I'm going to touch little bit technical things and you try to non-standard science students try to take the procedure from me, even they were not able to get the technology because I will take little bit about the Python and Java things. So suppose if you take this Python and you are going to work on some lab programs for 6 months or 8 months, because when I was studying here, I completed nearby scale. I think now we are having 6 months course I think. So in 6 months course, like 15 to 20 programs you are completing, I think so. Okay. So in the 15 programs, so the way how we are getting the knowledge from the college, that is 20% only. That's what I'm telling you. The sirs, whatever they do, explain, even though they are going to give effort of 100% or minimum 100%, that is equal to 20% of the knowledge what you are going to get from the existing technology. Because this is practically I have observed when I went into the industry, and the same thing, one good part is when I was in 1995, my principal sir, S.R. Parmi, S.R. Parmi, he also told to us the same thing, like, thus you are going to learn only 20% from us, 80% is your hard work only. So try to remember this point first. So you are in the couple semester, end of the semester, you think that I have completed 7 programs and 10 programs in the lab, I got 10 out of 10 credits or I will have to how that is. Suppose to take an example of Python. Tuple is there. That tuple will say that immutable, mutable, some concept is there. Assume that I am the fresher, I am just a second year college student and I don't know about mutability, immutability. Okay, but you need to question yourself. If you go to the lab exam and see that again, you are going to find out that you are going to say that again, immutable concept, mutable is there. That is why I am not able to do this one. You are examining the program, you are getting an amount of time. And sorry, say Subhash, excellent job. That is not going to work out here. Don't do something else. Also, I'm just giving you a small example here. So you have to prove, you have to question yourself. Why is he telling mutable, immutable? Can't I do this one? Can't I take this concept? That is what you are supposed to understand. Take one program, try to understand from step by step, and you get the result. And that is what the expectation from this lab actually. But that is not going to work out if you are going to sit on the ITPL or sit on the ITCD in Hyderabad. That's not going to work out. You are so once you reach there, once you go to that location, that training center by paying money, you will get to know all these things. Instead of that, I will explain you everything and try to follow me these words. Please listen to me carefully because I am giving you all tips actually. Because for this opportunity I am waiting since a long time. I got the opportunity knowingly and unknowingly this one. So I am explaining clearly. Suppose you take one program, don't take straight away and write down the exact answer. Okay, that is not going to be helpful. Try to break it. Full stop is there. Suppose some Java program, you take the full stop answer. Remove the full stop and try to answer it. Definitely you are going to fail. Go to the next program, next line. Some additions and assignment, definition of the variables are there. Okay, try to remove the variable. Try to nullify the definition of the variable. And see what's going to happen. Like that, you have to break each and every line of the program in number of pieces. So, just assume, I'll give you a small example here. Suppose I am the person, I am working in the second year, third year college student actually. I got two programs. One program is Python, one program is Java. Each carries 20 to 30 lines program is there. In the 30 lines program, the Python program, I am able to put everything in one shot. Within 10 seconds, I got the output. I'm sorry, sir, here is Subhash, so excellent, what an excellent job. That's not the accomplishment I got from the start. So today I enjoyed a lot because I got very good marks and I top in the college. Classroom because I am able to manage in 10 seconds the same program. Whereas Java program, I was not able to go ahead from there. The reason is I don't know what is the derivation derived overload methods. Sorry, actually mechanical civil students, you try to take the framework from me if you are not able to catch the programming. Okay, so just take the Java program, you will see. I'm not able to get exactly what is this reference, what is polymorphism. From the word I have heard in chemistry only, but I don't know what is polymorphism. That medium of instruction is English. I will tell you suppose. How can I manage all these things? So I'm struggling 9 minutes, lot of 9 minutes, but Python. So wherever they are, Subhash, as a problem, wherever okay. So I'm enjoying a lot with Python program, but this Java program is not allowing me to go ahead from there. So then what I have to do? What I have to come out of the situation? I need to go ahead and verify what is the class, what is the object. I have to start from there. Otherwise, my son is not allowing me in the lab. Actually, he said, hey, you cannot allow lab. I cannot allow you in the lab. Please try to complete the program and come to the situation. That's what he's telling to us. So I was opening all the books. Books like that. Don't close the books. Open the books. I opened the Harvard Shelby book. That guy is still there. Okay, you just have to go from the encapsulation of the things. History, but I was not able to get it. Again, I failed it. So again, that it takes me minimum 1 month time to me to get the impression of me. Sir, I got 6 or 5 marks out of 10. But by that program, I got 10 out of 10. I'm excellent actually. I was in this impression only throughout the year. So I completed my engineering and I went to Hyderabad. I went to some other locations for the interview purpose. There I got the question. I got some question about the Python. I'm able to answer it because that is a good friend, right? I felt that saved me. I got a lot of appraisals, a lot of accomplishments from the lab itself and everybody. My friends are today, was excellent here because you were in first class and stuff like that. They say, go Python. So I was in that illusion. But coming to this Java, nobody has been any accomplishment. I struggled a lot, but it's a nightmare for me. So that's how I spent my college life. Then I went to the interview panel and was sitting there. I was able to manage the question for Python in 2 seconds only. But when they were asking me about the Java, I was able to hold them for 20 minutes.
ఆడియన్స్
I was having nightmares and I was holding the Java program in the college because of I don't know what is polymorphism, inheritance and all. So I was holding that one as nightmare. Actually, it made me to sleepless. It made me to go for sleep that number of nights throughout the month actually. So that is what my experience in the engineering college. I was holding this Java teacher, sorry, like this everything. Okay, but coming to Python I was excellent at all these things. But coming to the interview board, I was able to manage only two. I was able to hold them for 2 seconds in Python question and answer, but Java I was able to manage for more than 20 minutes. See, right now, that guy got the impression on me. This guy is doing excellent in Java. The reason is he holded me for more than 20 minutes. Whatever I am asking, more than that, he is giving a response to me. So that means that he is good in Java. Now we take it to Java programming. Coming to Python, what happened? So far, I think that Python is excellent to me. A lot of examinations in my college. See here, my point here is the one which is struggling me a lot, that is a good friend, but so far that is a enemy to me. And the one which is giving me excellent in the first time, that is the biggest enemy is going to be in the life actually. So the point here is, what are the struggles you are going to face? You have to face the struggles here itself in the job program. I'm not saying of the personal life actually. So I wish all of you have to face the struggles here itself in the programming or the techniques. Suppose you take a computer network, go for the congestion algorithms. Okay, understand what is the this algorithm like that. But you try to find out, okay, how can't I do this way? Can't I do this way? Like that, you have to disprove, try to disprove it. You let them fail. You fail a number of ways. So I wish you all how to fail number of times here itself. The reason is, so the person who is successful, who is being successful in the first attempt, the person who is being successful after 100 attempts, the second guy is more better than the first guy. So this is what I'm expecting. So the person who is having some 10 marks, what are 10 marks, don't feel something like that guy is topper, yeah, he is getting a lot of things, I'm not getting anything there, what I have to do? Don't go in that way. Okay, keep some time. I finished the college, I finished English for not in 1994. So I was carrying my books and telling, what is this, yeah, I was not able to get all these things, yeah, because I'm very much, see, until intermediate I was top student actually, 95, 96 my percentage, then I 94 actually. My two percentages still 95, 96 actually. So but I was thinking that what is this when I came to this college, I'm not able to catch a single statement, what is prediction, what is the why I'm not able to catch all the words, what he is telling. I'm a topper now, engineering, intermediate. I got the engineering institute, those days engineering institutes are very less. 5,000 seats or 6,000 for the entire event on the place. So that's what I was thinking, but I was not able to manage it. Physics, engineering, drawing, ending up is the book actually. Okay, then other subjects. So I was not able to manage all those things. Somehow I am able to manage the first year because of majority of the subjects is extension of the intermediate. Fine. Just try to understand how I actually. Okay, so it is applicable to people, those who have studied in the medium and making have to face the struggles. Those who are experts in this field or some areas of personal issues, they are lagging in the marks and all these things are applicable things. Okay, so then. So I was able to manage the first year actually, and the second year as well the same thing, but CME sir. So that was actually he came to the college and he started to come to our college class and he started telling about the data structure, CME, everything, stats, views, lineage, all these things. I was thinking, what is this here? I'm not able to understand even a pointer as well, but sir is going to this separate lineage, double lineage like that. So I was taking a single part that one. One day what happened is, so sir was asking me about, okay, please write down the pointer definition. Nobody was writing except me and two more persons, everybody persons. I have written pointer definition excellent 100%, but I have not from the other person straight away. So then, sir, not straight away asked me, hey, Kunjan Rao, just read out what you have done. I said, excellent pointer definition because I have copied from the other guy who has written excellent actually. And he said, Shabash, I just told me, sir, actually I don't know anything, sir, I'm not getting excellent because I don't know English in those days. I don't know except grammar, I don't know anything actually. I told him, sir, I don't know, sir, I am not getting result what you are telling, but I have learned from the other student. He said, Sabash, now you feel like this, so don't worry, definitely one day you will become some other level. So what I'm telling here is, if I would have copied it but kept quiet, anyhow, sir is going to use Sabash again. I will take that use of Sabash action, I got extra number. First of all, you should know exactly what you know. Then you can understand exactly where you want to go. You might not be having time to do all these things, I'm telling you. Okay, so you think, hey, what is this? Asking you to go for references, but we don't have any source like that. You think all these things. And there is a small point here. Whenever someone is telling about you regarding, okay, Eulerian drops or something Hamiltonian cycle like this, he will say that, okay, we are ink by, paper by, all these people are using this one. This is not a new concept for Java. So you think that since long time we are using it, they will say that, okay, just try to remember that point. You go ahead with your assignments and mid-exams, try to secure and impress your stars and credits no issue. But try to note this point and keep it with you until the end of the semester exam or until the end of the summer, until the beginning of the summer. Definitely, I'm sure, I don't know how many semester days, every days we are having a holidays, suppose 15 days. Definitely, you are not going to utilize 15 days into 8, 1 to 15 minutes, 20 hours, you are not going to utilize for enjoyment. I'm sure. You will get bored for 1 or 2 times, 1 or 2 hours per day. Try to go back this book. Whatever you have written the semester exams in the semester, beginning date, what are I telling you? Like reference to they have given Radha Krishna, because I have read only CJ only. I think something else is there in the Radha Krishna. I have to learn something like that. Keep one word with you. Have the pocket guide with you. This will change your life. And go to the summer holidays, semester beginning. Open that book one day and see it, okay? So the difference between linear diagrams. Now go for JR1, discrete mathematics. Now go for Morse electronics team. Go for Morse narrow. Okay? So all these things, okay? Just see that now. Okay, asking us to do something. Open the chapter ending. There is a revision points. Like take for electronics people, counters is there, and flip-flops, flippers are there. Counters, they will tell you T flip-flop, J is something like that. That is the assignment for our curriculum. But if you go to the end of the chapter, that line will ask you to design different styles of counters. Those counters are not but whatever we are using for the digitalization, that is the basic point. Try to practice. I'm sure you are going to fail. I wish you have to fail. I wish you have to fail for 100 times in engineering itself. Not for the credits I'm telling you. I'm telling you about the process what you are failing. Okay? You try to do this way. So here the point here is, while you are doing whatever you have studied 6 months back, T flip-flop, JK, you got the opportunity to revise those things. And you are going to add on something on top of that one. So you are stepping, you are going one step back to manage 10 steps forward here. I tell you why it is. See the process what I am doing, I don't think others are following. Students like this. Okay, so definitely if you are going to follow this one, you will be top 10 out of 100 people in the market, job market. So that is how you are going to be in the extraordinary position. That is how the interview required. Okay, so assume that I have an interview with one of the people in the business organization. So what I will take when I was talking to them, actually what I was telling is wrong, that I don't know. Okay, so they say what I was talking like I explained everything and I have given one statement to him. This is the answer for this one. He said no. Three people take families there. So 3 of them are not disagreeing with my answer. I said no, it's fair. They said okay, chalo, we'll go to one test. We'll give you can do it. I said can you disprove that one? Like that I asked him. But what I have been stored wrong. I don't know that one. But they have given me offer. They said okay, whatever you have given is wrong only, but I have seen your confidence levels and we have offered you. This is one statement. So what I'm telling you here is, so at the end of the chapter, at the results, if you are going to do all these things, maybe you are going to fail. So definitely you are going to catch hold of a lot of knowledge compared to those who are missing on this process. So definitely when you are sitting with them, they will consider you are going to catch hold of that guide. It's not like you are going to listen to them. Definitely they are going to listen to you. See, definitely you are going to get a job, no problem. But the point is, while you are going to catch the market, you should be at the top level. Because you are not from PC, that's what I'm expecting. You are following right? Any accent is fast, anything is, shall I go a little bit down? No? Okay, fine. So, coming to the next point. At the end, just try to remind me about ChatGPT and tell you what is the rumors going on and tell you that point. So, coming to the next one. Yesterday, see, so one topper is there in the college. don't run away from the situation. Don't wait until the situation is going to dominate you as well. If you are going to follow me like, at the end of the semester, you try to open the book. So definitely 120 hours is there, and the semester is 15 days waiting time is there for the next semester. 120 hours, try to spend 10 hours, that's it. Try to revise it, all the chapters. Open the discrete mathematics book, JL Mart, and see, hey, what is the sense of telling about will by, paper by, how it is connected to what is the sense of familiar, all these things, how to start will by, and all. There's something relation is there. What was Sir told to me, was I not able to concentrate everything? Try to question yourself. Try to concentrate. Try to make yourself stronger in the subject. I'm sure one day you are going to be the top 10 out of 100 who is going to get a competition between the job market. That's it. Okay? So, what I'm telling you so far, there is nothing hard in this one. Only thing is, can I do it? I can do it. Can I do it or not? That's the question. Don't be, just type the verses. I can do it. That's it. Okay? Just give me all the questions, whatever you are asking, I will explain each and everything. So you go to the center, and the external form, and the external form, the first thing, and the external form is there. There, that was explaining about the conjunction numbers, I think so. So, conjunction numbers, what we are going to do in this is, simply we are going to read out the assignment, and then 10 out of 10. We get a lot of accomplishments and excellent job we got on that sheet, we are doing on the signature. But my point here is, when we are using these conditional terms, anyone that brackets terms or something is there. How the brackets are moving? Can I do something by opening the laptop and see the brackets moving? If you are not getting the answer, then you apply for the charge, you can check it, ask the guy. Okay? The charge will give anything, or do something like that. Right? Try to start your journey, but don't take anyone's help. Don't ask, sir, this is the first thing. I told initially also 20% only they are supposed to, they are going to tell you, even though they are going to help you 200%, that is equal to 20% of the knowledge, what you are supposed to do in engineering. The job is done, that's it. So you are supposed to come to the phone and open the books. May not be having the time like that. I don't actually, during the course of the semester of the nearby screen. Definitely I am sure you are having the time when you are going to end the semester. Don't try to accommodate or schedule all these things. Okay, we'll go to Java. This small, that much, I don't know evidence what is in offer actually. So only one thing which is going to stop us our learning process is cricket. Don't take it personally. So that's going to start in December, January, and we're going to 50 somebody matches will be there. Definitely we are going to, hey, match I got to go, so definitely we have to see that match. Like this, we are going to give the time to them, but the time is complete. It's my own time. My parents are running to do something. They have the rights to disturb my time. They have the right to take out the time. But indirectly, those people are taking the time from us and we are giving time to the valuable time. Don't try to do all those things if you are lacking in the subject. So these are the things you are supposed to concentrate in. So you try to utilize your own time for your purpose only. That's it. Okay? So you follow all these things. And one more thing I'll tell you. Suppose people I think just now I explained about 100 marks, 90 marks, something like this. So I'm thinking, okay, I don't have much knowledge here. Chalo, leave it. Let him enjoy with the marks. I don't have that much knowledge now. What shall I do? Because I'm not getting anything. But the point here is everybody is having that capability. I'm sure. I'm telling you the reality. When I was walking from here to this college, I was thinking, what was happening? Because even there are some students like me, they don't have much knowledge to explain the subject to me. I was in that stage. So I was always the depression board. I was not able to get any subject at that. But only one thing helped me is, I was having 95 marks in engineering intermediate now. So definitely I have something I can do it. I'm sure. So today, tomorrow, whatever like that, I spent 2 hours time. One day what happened is systems analysis and design, that's the subject. I think I don't know, still we are having the subject of computer science student I just did. Systems analysis and design. That is the subject. I forgot all the name of the book. What happened, right? I was in that shell actually. I was not able to make the questions. Still I'm getting 3 or 4 marks out of 10 marks only. So, but I know that one. I know because I was getting those marks when I was intermediate and that was like that. So that is the only one point stopping me. One of my friend, he left the college because of the bit of a given of instruction. He left the engineering seat itself. In those days it was very hard to get the engineering seat, but he left it. So I said, I cannot manage that. He left the college. But I was thinking, hey, see, I am having the 95 marks like this, right? So why should I leave? There is something I can do it. I That's it. So I was not able to catch the difference, and I have given one question answer to and one more question. That's it. Simply kept it. I got 0, I got, that's it. Again I went down. What is happened? I was struggling since long time. I was thinking I am waiting for the target achievement day because I am going to beat myself on that day. That is the biggest achievement for me. But I was not able to catch that point. Then I was thinking, okay, I have almost reached. Only one word is there now, 5 letters now. It's okay, fine. We'll wait for one more time. Then I have an exam with the computer organization. Somebody asked me, sir, actually, he is the first whole part of that actually. So then is a pipeline for instruction. So don't think that I am telling about myself. Just understand how I came out of the situation. Human being versus the confidential levels. Just take that point only. So that pipeline instructions is there, fetching the instruction, decoding, processing, storing the result there. Some pipeline is there. That question I have given perfect answer in there. I got 10 out of 10. That's it. I came out of the situation. I was thinking, yes, I came back to the situation. I'm able to hold it. So there afterwards I started studying slowly. Okay. So here whole thing like that. Just try to understand. I was battling with my confidence levels. Can I do it? Can I do it? I can do it. Always I was in can I? Then I moved to I can. So we try to understand all these things. So one more point. So I didn't put the topic like okay, the higher score guy, lower score guy. So you don't try to compare with the person who is having the top score actually. That is the biggest mistake everyone is going to do it. Okay, na? Yes. See, I'll come to you one here. మార్పు లేనంత కాలం జీవితం యొక్క మన కంట్రోల్లోనే ఉంటుంది. మార్పు లేనంత కాలం the delta which you are going to manage, if there is no any change in the delta, always you can dominate your life, you can control your life. మన నెక్స్ట్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే బికాస్ September 20th is the exam district mathematics and I'm not able to manage because I was still at assessor jobs, so there was some jobs or all those things. So what I have to do, I didn't able to manage proper planning issue. That's it. So if you are going to hold the planning, if you are going to manage the planning, that's it. So nothing else is there. So I'm expecting all of you to face a lot of troubles here. I mean in programming, the way how we are preparing, that's it. Okay? Try to manage, try to accept the struggles. Don't run away from the issues. One more point, if you take up the programming here, or anything that try to correlate with the civil mechanical background as well. So you are getting I'm getting number and extraction here. I'm getting some index out of extraction here. I cannot manage this. I don't know how to do it. But the point here is, don't try to go for the forward process. Sir, anyhow, is going to tell the program like which is going to take up the array, he's going to fill up the data, define the data, and he is going to manipulate something and do it. But he is going to add extra values, getting out of index extraction. Array index means by seeing the result we can manage it, but that's not the way how we are supposed to prepare it. To take the exception, can you produce the error? I am giving the exception, can you produce the error? Can you write the program and produce the error? That is what we are supposed to plan it. This is what why you have to go to the Amirpet somewhere else and pay money and get to know all these things. So my final statement to all of you is, try to concentrate only on the subject and try to concentrate on the reference books. That's it. Until 4 years. I'm sure definitely at the end of the 4 years, you will get a top 10 out of 100 people who is competing with you in the interview. Okay? So now, Rohit is supposed to tell me, you have any questions, I'll explain you. So, and then I would like to stop here. Please go ahead. You have any questions? For ChatGPT, I would like to give you an example here. So, I'm hearing a lot of things related to ChatGPT, like, ChatGPT, सभी jobs चल रहा है. So, what shall we do? We are going to lose the jobs here. That is what I think you are hearing about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is equivalent to our star. Okay? Whatever star is going to give you, that is giving, that's it. Only thing is here you have to apply an interpreter. I mean your mindset. Try to understand what that lady is giving. That's it. It's equivalent to Google and equivalent to star only. So no need to worry about the jobs as well. The point here is, if we are losing the job, that means, I mean it's not applicable to you. Suppose if people are hearing that one, I'm giving you an example here. So there is one task and there is one more person, I am charging 100 rupees per month. One more person coming to the picture, he is charging 90 rupees only. Definitely, why should I there actually? Why should I be there actually? I have to leave. Why should I wait until they are going to ask me to leave it? So I have to leave. I have to upgrade ourselves so that I will say, so you are giving me 100 rupees, but I am giving you this much output, better than that guy's insect. They are not going to lose you. But don't worry about ChatGPT as well. Utilize ChatGPT properly. Ask the questions. Whatever you are going to get 80% knowledge from this, try to utilize that one. Ask that guy how to implement India congestion algorithms and network theory. And ask that guy what is in the internet, where we are going to use it. And try to connect with the reality, then it will be easy for you to remember the concepts. That's what I told you yesterday. Risky mathematics is a huge subject and we are not able to catch that. But at the end, it's the same problem I face. At the end, I was telling, if I cut like this, railway under doing this. Then I opened and I reverse engineered everything from the back to start. Then I was able to catch up what is the what is that Hamiltonian cycle, all these things. So we try to concentrate on the framework, what I am telling you. If follow it, definitely you are going to lead the market. Okay? Fine. So any questions? Any questions? No? So you are here. Asking, okay, quantum computing is coming, something else is coming. What is this? Technologies are coming like this. Okay? So I'm interested, I don't to learn quantum computing, what's going to happen. It's presently there. It's applicable to all of you as well, because you cannot go back to S4 and study there. You cannot start your career from S4 and right now start from this data technology only. But you will be having the feeling, what is this these guys actually there, ML, Python, quantum computing, all these things. I have to study. The point here is, as long as there is no change in the periodical change in your life, always your life will be in control. Same thing is applicable even for technology as well. Let it go on. Start traveling with that one. That's it. Okay, fine. Thank you all. Thank you very much for